use, ayon sa 8.3 ng Joint Circular, failure of the accountable officer to liquidate any public funds is tantamount na nga to that presumption. Hindi
Yes,
po
po.
ba?
Yes, po.
So, ang tanong dito, sino ang accountable officer dito sa sitwasyon na to? Kasi ang liwaliwanag na hindi naman si Vice President ang payee. Hindi naman sinasabi na nasa kanya yung pera. Ang liwanag sa inyong joint circular that the special disbursing officer is the one who was designated by the head of agency to have custody, di ba? And in the case of the OVP, si Acosta yon. In the case of DepEd, hindi ba si Fajarda yon?
That is not entirely correct po, Your Honor. Because under the joint circular, it shall be the responsibility of the head of the agency first to approve yung cash advance. Pangalawa, to
Oo
oversee yung agency-wide utilization. Pangatlo, to ensure compliance with the joint
Unresponsive
circular.
po.
And also po, inattest din po ni OBP yung
Unresponsive po. Ang tinatanong ko lang, hindi ba yung designated, yung SDO, si Fajarda lang at si Acosta, hindi si VP, hindi siya yung payee eh. Ang liwaliwanag.
pero ang sinabi niyo po kanina yung accountable officer.
Kaya nga, so yung accountable officer, yung SDO, nasa JCD
Hindi lang po
yan
si SDO po yung accountable
Hindi,
officer,
or.
Your Honor.
Ang sabi doon, head of agency or person
Tanong na
designated.
lamang po. Sa Government Accounting Code, sino po ang mga opisyal na tinuturing na accountable officers?
Under the Government Accounting Code, yung yung disbursing officer, yung accountant, yung treasurer, yung project officer, and the head of the agency po.
At tama po ba na under this law, sa sections 101 at lalo na 102, ang head of agency ay primarily at immediately responsible para sa pondo sa kanyang ahensya?
Yes po.
Salamat po, Mr. Witness. Salamat,
Senator
Mr.
Judge
Presiding
Pangilinan.
Officer.